Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful family, today I have a quick one to share with you. As you can see or as you can hear from this particular update I'm going to uplift for you today. This is Asari Dokubo live Abuja. No leave, no transfer. He went to Abuja because some guys bold come out to protest that they are tired of poverty in Nigeria. Asari Dokubo say, "Who born na where one come out call the protest for where Bola Ahmed Tinubu did the original the get president." Hey, I see some people saying a lot of things, but I want to ask one question also. The same thing that happened when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said his people are suffering. What did they do? They said they should crucify Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that there is nothing like that. Abba, today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is with the DSS. That aside. Now, Simon Ekpa came up and said, "Oh, I will never allow what people are doing. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you not free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, this, that. They say, "Oh, let's crucify Simon Ekpa." Who is Simon Ekpa? Simon Ekpa don't have the right to say people should sit at home. He don't have the right to say they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He don't have any right. In fact, as long as we know, Simon Ekpa is not an IPOP member. Oh, all the criminality, all the criminal in Biafra land, he's the one responsible. Blah. Now, me and you, they we see Asari Dokubo have boys. This one is not something that he hide though. He did not hide it. He bring them out. The word seed, but today nobody say anything about it. And today, Asari Dokubo they do this one for inside Abuja. I don't want to talk too much. I want to make on a list. On a I go clear for this one. Make on a list to Asari Dokubo Joe.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. As I put in this up for
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Daddy.
One Lord. Thank you for your resilience.
Yes,
thank you, sir.
Yes,
we'll be here. We told them we'll be here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We told them.
The boys are good to go, sir.
We told them.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Turn by turn. They know this.
Yes, they know this. They know this.
Face not the Biafra. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes. Asari,
Thank you very much.
thank you, sir. Thank you, Daddy.
Warlord. Thank you for your resilience.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
be here. We told them we'll be here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We told them.
The boys are good to go, sir.
We told them.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Turn by turn. They know this. Face not the fear face.
Imagine Asari Dokubo using every one of all these leaders in southeastern part of Nigeria to do jege. Nobody is saying anything. In fact, they are backing him. But you see all these Biafra people, they will never support their own. I don't understand this. What did you people really want? When your brother say you people should work together, you say no, you are fighting him. Fighting Simon Ekpa here. Oh, Simon Ekpa is not a Biafra person. He's not an IPOP. Nobody know the father. Nobody know the mother. How many of una know Asari Dokubo, Papa? How many of una know Asari Dokubo, Mama? But today, the support when Asari Dokubo gets, nobody. Even the worst part, they only say all these things on behalf of Asari Dokubo. Nobody can come to his front to say Asari Dokubo, we go arrest you, we go do this. Anybody that can cash him, bring 100,000. Nobody can do that. Now only on our own body, on our dey strong. See the way Asari Dokubo, yeah, Peter Obi, yeah, everybody. But today, if something is happening, no politicians in certain part of Nigeria, they will never stand to say they want to support their own. They will never stand to say they want to support, because why? They've sold their soul because of bribe. Now, Asari Dokubo is doing this and everybody is just crying. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Now, in Nigeria, as not a detective, you can't say anything you want to do. You can't talk anyhow. You can't even come out to protest. Either you are protesting for Nigeria, you are provided you are protesting that Nubu is not working well. Now be say you don't carry matter for Asari Dokubo body. Now this type of Asari Dokubo people now their feet now until everybody eye go open. Yes. I am tired of all this petting. Everybody is just crying, but nobody can really come out boldly to approach Asari. They can never come out to approach Asari Dokubo. No governor, no leader. Who be that person? Nobody can say that. Nobody can come out to say they want to approach Asari Dokubo. I'm talking about the full Nigeria, the governors, all of them. Nobody can come out that they want to approach Asari Dokubo. For waiting, or they want to bold and say they want to arrest him. Who born you? But if it's somebody that is just planning his own, you people will start, oh, let's crucify him. You people are not ashamed. You people should hold yourself, close your eyes in shame for you to betray your own brother. And now you are crying that Asari Dokubo is doing this, doing that. When you did not support your own, don't you think that other people will support their own? This is the game. This is the game. When you did not support your own, don't expect other people to give you their own for free. They will support their because you are the fool. Yes. You are the one that say you don't need Mazina Dikanu, you don't need Simon Ekpa. Do you think that every other person, look at what happened in northern part of Nigeria, the Boku, they still indirectly support them. You can't do them anything. They work freely. What about the Fulani herdsmen? You can't do them anything. So it's not also time for we to be wise. Then let's stay in the mugunability. Yes. Let's stay in the mugunability. You only cry on behalf of Asari Dokubo. You cannot go and face him. That is just the basic truth. You will cry from here to Jericho, cry river. Asari Dokubo will keep on doing what he's doing until you go get sense. Now, they will not tell you to go and buy sense now. They will not tell you. You will sit down and realize. Ask yourself questions and answer the questions yourself. Now, nobody get out to the pursue you again. No. Nobody get time to ask whether you agree or you not agree. Now, waiting you go see, now you go clear for your eyes. Now, Asari Dokubo they do you. Who go fit talk? Nobody. Asari Dokubo bring boys. He display them, he not hide down. Nobody fit talk. Now every day they cry for a star security network. Make una get sense. So my wonderful family, let me bring this to us because enough. At times you don't have to be talking too much. You have to let the people to bear the penalty, and that is what they are bearing today. They are crying. Asari Dokubo is doing this. Asari Dokubo is doing that. But if your own come out, you will never support that your own. What do you want Asari Dokubo to do? What do you want people to do now? It's just to wash you. Nigeria night has come to survival of the fittest. If you can survive it, you stay. If you cannot survive it, carry your kaya. Because when somebody come out and say they want to fight for you or liberate you, you say no, that person is not doing it well. It can never happen. May with the bearer. Not be all of me, let's be bearing it. Let's give Asari Dokubo the go ahead for him to do what he wants to do. Because it's only behind Asari Dokubo. That is when you cry. You can't go to his front to cry. That is just the funny part. You can't go to the front of Asari Dokubo and you want to cry or you want to say it. Until now, get sense, una go receive am. So my wonderful family, please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I just let me bring my own opinion because a lot has happened. Because of these 2 weeks sit at home, we know what people were saying. We know a lot of things that is happening. We know how they have crucified a lot of people. Mazina Dikanu is there, nobody is saying anything, but people are tired. Every day, kitty kata kata in Nigeria. Every day, people are talking down on people. Every day, new notice. Even the leaders in Southeast, they are not ready to help you. The leaders in Nigeria, they are not ready to help you. You got to help yourself. This is a wake-up call. So my beloved family, please share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I bring it as it dey hot. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.